Hi, my name is Victor Gabriel Clotic. I am a dermatologist with more than 20 years of experience and with more than 15 years of activity in the laser field. My first laser training was in May 2004. I was assistant professor in dermatology at the University of Medicine and Pharmacy in Bucharest for almost 10 years. I have more than 70 articles published, including in PubMed. I deliver more than 500 presentations in national and international congresses. I have experience in the medical use of different kinds of lasers and setting up a clinic for lasers. I was involved in medical training in the last 15 years, and my specific topics are acne and rosacea, hair removal and melasma, anti-aging medicine, and laser use in medical practice. At international congresses, my colleagues frequently asked me the next question: what laser is the best? How could I open a clinic? What are the specific steps to buy a laser? How to marketing your laser and your practices? And I remembered that I had the same questions a few years ago. I was in the same situation and wanted to have this kind of course to save my time, my energy, and my money. So, the next logical step was to build this course. I built this course for the doctors who want to open a laser clinic and don't know how to start and develop. I built this course for my colleagues to save time and money, save energy, and have a strategic view of lasers in medical practice. Even if you don't know how to start the process, or you don't know how to work a specific laser, or you don't know what laser is the best for you in your practice, you will find here the answers to this question and too much more questions related with the laser clinic. You will learn practical formulas and a safe approach to open your laser practice. The topics covered in this course are the complete topics associated with a laser clinic, presented logically and strategically, and with possibilities to use and apply immediately. The sections of this course cover all aspects of the laser center, respectively: the doctor and the patient, the type of laser and the infrastructure, the marketing and the competition. Every section gives you specific insights and practical steps to gain the knowledge and skills that you need. You will learn to expand your medical practice and to develop new skills, to grow your career and to find new opportunities on the market. A practical approach to open a laser clinic with specific steps from ideas to build the laser clinic. A practical approach to open the laser clinic with specific steps to find the appropriate laser and position of the clinic. The principle of marketing and the learning curve. The basics of building and develop a new practice. At the end of my course, you will be able to write the 7 specific steps to open a laser clinic and to distinguish what particular lasers are suitable for your activities, and you will be able to build a laser clinic based both on your current activities and future practice. Keep learning.